Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinkoz channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the process of enabling system protection on your drive when you encounter the error, system protection is not enabled on this drive. And now, let's get started. If you are seeing an error message indicating that system protection is not enabled on a particular drive, do not worry. This video will show you exactly how to resolve this. First, we need to access the recovery settings within Windows. To do this, simply type recovery into your Windows search bar. From the search results, select the recovery option. This will open the recovery window. Within this window, you will find an option labeled Configure System Restore. Click on this option. You will then see a new window where you can configure the settings for System Restore. Look for the section that allows you to turn on system protection. Make sure this option is selected. For instance, if the error pertains to your C drive, ensure that system protection is turned on for the C drive. After making this selection, click on the Apply button. Following that, click on OK. You may need to click OK once more to confirm the changes and ensure they are saved. You can repeat this process for other drives if necessary. For example, to enable system protection on your D drive, simply select the D drive from the available options and follow the same steps. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.